Oh no, oh little fairy, don't you cry. Spread your wings and try, just try, try, try. The sky is soft, the breeze is light. You'll be soaring, oh what a sight. Sitting soft on lily leaves comes a frog who barely leaps. I'm afraid to jump, he sighs. What if I fall? What if I'm not wise? Wise, wise. Then a fish with fins so small hides from shadows, won't swim at all. What if hooks are near, he fears. What if danger's lurking near you? Little mouse in grass so tall whispers, I feel much too small. If I step out, what's out there? Will the hawk see? Does it dare? Dare, dare? Ooh, much too small. Ooh, paws and fins and wings agree. Let's be brave, you'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Hand in hand they cheer so bright. Take the leap, you'll shine with light, 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 light. Then the fairy lifts so high. Up she goes, she touches sky. Rainbow arches, gold and blue. Look at me, I'm flying too. Look at me. So if you're scared, just say I'll try. Little fairy, you can fly. Little fairy, you can fly. Ooh, you can fly. Spread your wings and try, just try, try.